In this video, we will write a program in C language to swap the two numbers and input through the keyboard with the help of third variable. So let's start. Firstly, write header files as include stdio.h, as include onio.h, void main, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, open curly bracket, integer a, b, c. C is a third variable which is used to swap the a and b. Clear screen, semicolon, printf, enter the two numbers. Scanf, percentile d, percentile d, address of a and address of b. Printf, the value before swapping, the value before swapping are percentile d, percentile d, a, b, semicolon, c equals to a equals to b, b equals to c. Printf, the value after swapping, backslash and the value after the swapping ping is percentile d, percentile d, a, b. Get ch, semicolon, close curly bracket, there is zero warning and zero error, so this code is ready to run. Enter the two numbers 7, 8. The number values before swapping are 7, 8. The values after the swapping is 8, 7. Enter. Return to the coding page